How to fix Honor 7X slow motion camera not working problem. Hello friends, welcome back to How to Fix It YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'll tell you that how you can fix the slow motion camera not working in your Android device. So guys, if you use the slow motion camera setting and if you are now unable to use that slow motion camera, then how you can fix this issue in this video you will get to know about it. Okay, so guys, in your Honor device you don't have to download any kind of third-party application to make slow motions video. Okay, you will get that feature in your device. Okay, in your camera there is slow motion camera option is there, but guys, if your slow motion is not working, then guys you need to fix this problem. So how you can fix this problem, let's find it out. Okay, but guys, before proceeding further, make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get all the latest update. So now let's start the video. So at the first step guys, what you have to do is you have to go to your setting. Okay, you can go to setting, and guys, if you can open up the camera, so it will be better if you open up the camera. So first open up the camera and then guys click on the setting or gear icon, and then guys scroll it down until you find the restore default apps. Okay, I mean restore defaults camera setting. So first you have to restore the camera setting, and then guys, as you can see, camera needs access to your location, so give allow, and then guys go back now. Okay, so after that guys, you have to open up your setting, and then guys, what you need to do is you need to scroll down your setting, and then guys go to apps. Okay, and again you have to tap on the app, and now guys you have to find out your camera here. Okay, so this is the camera, so let's open up the camera, and after that guys, you have to go to storage and then clear the data of your uh, camera. Okay, so after clearing the data of your camera, you have to go back, go to permissions, and then guys allow the permissions. Okay, especially camera, microphone or location. So give access to all your permissions, and then guys you have to go back. And now guys, what you have to do is you have to restart your phone, and then guys go back to your camera. Okay, restart your phone and go back to camera. So okay, now you click on next, enable. Okay, so this is your camera, and guys, to enable the slow motion camera setting, you have to click on the more option, and then guys, this is your slow motion. Okay, so you have to click there. I'll show you once again. You have to click here on the more, and then guys click on the slow mo option. Okay, this is called slow motion, so you have to tap there, and then guys you will get the slow motion option. As you can see, you can do this process in any of your Honor devices. Okay, which model, it doesn't matter, so you can simply go for this solution. So guys, after that just go back, and guys, now uh, you can shoot the slow motion videos. Okay, so this is the way to fix the solution. But guys, uh, for example, by any chance, okay, if your problem doesn't get fixed by all this solution, then what you can do here is to fix this problem. Go to your setting, scroll down, find out your system, and then guys update your software. Okay, the only and last solution is to update your software. So whenever you update your software, this kind of problem will definitely get fixed. Okay, so make sure to update your phone, and then guys check it, your slow motion problem will be definitely fixed by all this solution. So first you just do all that solution, and then guys at the last, if your problem doesn't get fixed, then you can go for a software update, and then guys check it, your problem will be definitely solved. I hope this video will be definitely helpful for you, and guys, if this video is helpful, then don't forget to give a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.